are you? So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own turmeric and ginger tonic. So I was just at the farmer's market today and they sell the stuff, they make it themselves, and they're even selling a concentrate. So that gave me the idea to make my own concentrate. And I've made this before with some lemon juice, some turmeric, ginger, and some aloe. Don't have any aloe today, but we are gonna be using our turmeric, our ginger. We're also gonna be using our Vitamix to make it, but you can also just use, you know, your blender, okay? So this is all the stuff you need, and some fresh squeezed lemon juice, or I'm gonna just be using a store-bought one that I get from Whole Foods. So one thing about this turmeric, guys, is that it has like a really orangey / yellow tint. So if you just got your nails done and you want to make this recipe, you are going to have to peel this or cut it. And if you don't want your fingers to get stained, then I suggest you wear some gloves or just expect your fingers to get stained, okay? And the other guy that I'm gonna be using is ginger. Really great digestive aid. Turmeric is really excellent for its anti-inflammatory properties. Now, one last thing is I have run out of black pepper, and black pepper is what you need to actually activate the turmeric. So instead, I'm just gonna be using a drop of this essential oil of black pepper. So I hope it works because I really wanna use this, guys. So this is what the turmeric looks like peeled. See, my fingers are getting nice and orange. So all I'm gonna do is just chop this up, and then I'm going to throw it into my Vitamix. Okay guys, so we're all done. So this is the finished product. So this is how I would recommend that you drink it. So this is really concentrated. So I would just pour maybe an ounce, and then you can pour the rest with water. You can take it maybe even as a shot or just dilute it just a little bit. But this has so many good health benefits. It's really good for any kind of inflammation you may have. The ginger in it is really good for digestive issues or just to help better digest things in general. So hope you guys enjoy it. Cheers. It's good. It's really strong, so if you're not used to ginger or that turmeric, just be prepared because it is pretty strong, but I think it tastes delicious.